guys, welcome to our channel, Smalay Philippines. Right now, we're here in Angeles, Magalang. So,
Angeles Magalang Road.
yes, it's road. So we're going to Arayat, Pampanga, the mountain. So let's go.
Yes, we now already in Magalang. Magalang. Pure gold Magalang. This road is straight, it's the center of Magalang. And you can talk.
So Sir Leon will gonna drive right now. It's so hot also right now. Good weather. Here,
Magalang
the
Market.
public market Magalang. So it's sunny day right now. That's why we use motor and going to Arayat.
This is center of Magalang.
Center of Magalang, Pampanga.
We will turn right to Magalang. To Arayat. So we're going to turn left soon. To Baliti. You see? Baliti.
Maliti.
Baliti. beautiful place here. Yeah?
Yes, it's beautiful place here, fresh air. And not so hot here.
We not allowed muffler, you see. Not
Not allowed
muffler.
muffler also here
Very
because
good.
it's silent place here.
Not every barangay in Philippines not allowed muffler.
Of course, it's not allowed muffler here.
Shaira, no, why not allowed? So many in your barangay use muffler. Not easy to
Depend.
sleep.
It's depend on the people. If they want some problem, they will do it. If you are a good person or a driver, you know the good and not good.
Okay, yeah.
You need to turn left in Purok 5.
Yeah, before bridge, you go
Before bridge. So, we're entering.
But you see, this is
already.
not abuse muffler.
Beautiful, beautiful place.
Where?
Beautiful place here, guys.
it's a small house. Small house in Waterap.
So,
You put camera here. What is villa?
villa.
A hotel?
It's not hotel. It's maybe old house before.
Another side. We're going to tap. Not hot here, yes?
Hmm.
This is lake. This is park.
This is the Papay here. It's already not good road there already. From the top.
Yes, we can talk.
Because it's already bad place here.
End of road already.
End of the road already here.
No, before we drive this road, but it's not good drive, not good road.
So we come back in the town.
Maybe we can buy drink here.
We can go inside.
No, we buy drink. Can you ask?
Maybe have entrance here also.
You ask, can we buy inside drink? Ask her.
Kuya, magkano yung entrance dito? Sa baba? Okay. So in the down only.
Here.
More down.
No.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, no down.
The down where we seen the entrance fee like this. You can see there the entrance fee. It's also here. So you need to slowly drive here because it's going down. And also guys, we will gonna answer all your question in our vlog later.
We will go over this.
This is Ginintuang Pakpak Eco Park in Arayat, Pampanga. This is the famous place here. Like park here. Ginintuang Pakpak.
Can you ask how much?
So,
This is so good. I don't see.
150.
350 to 700 cottage.
It's cottage only. Sir, magkano yung entrance po pag ano, matanda? Matanda.
Pero sa inyo, pag may ID,
Hindi po, hindi naman po senior.
pag hindi senior, talaga 150 pa rin.
150 po. Tapos pwede pong kumain doon or di po pwede? Okay.
Pwede kumain, pwede rin po dalhin yung sasakyan sa taas.
Oh,
151 person.
151 person. And also we can eat also in the top. So it's the entrance first.
Where you can park motor here.
Parking, yeah.
Also parking. Okay.
Thank you.
You can park here already. It's so many park. Parking space oh.
Maybe we can park here. Yeah?
Da, you can park already here. Ganito ang pakpak already. Oh, good place.
Ice coffee po sa inyo, ma'am.
Wait lang po. Ask ko lang po yung kasama. Hi guys, we arrived already in Arayat, Pampanga. So this place is so good and good for rest and live here. It's good place here, and take a look also. Have fishing also here. So thank you for watching in our video. Salamat!